So Microsoft finally responded to the May update's problems, where it's breaking a lot of Surface Duo 2 devices. Again, as I said in my last video, this has not been a problem for me, and based on what I understand, part of the community still has not faced this problem. But enough people have that it's a serious problem, right? Well, Microsoft's response is this. Microsoft is aware and is looking into it. For additional information, please refer to our Microsoft Q&A community page. Surface Zero 2 permanent reboots after May 30, 2023 update. Which I believe this probably isn't going to give us too much information. Oh, this is literally all it is. Just a thread which says answered. Thank you for putting this issue. We are actively investigating. Marking as answered for now to raise availability. Okay, that's what. I guess this is the thread they're gonna update as they get more information about this problem with the Surface Duo 2's May update. So at least they're doing something. I have to, give them props for doing something, because in the past they have absolutely avoided issues, not talked about it, and just kind of, let it be, oh yeah, it happened, and then eventually they try to fix it. But it looks like they're actually due diligent here and going to be getting out some type of fix, hopefully sometime soon, because this can't be something where it's like, oh yeah, they just don't care or they take too long, because this is people's phones. I mean, they spent over $1,500, $1,600 on these cell phones. Especially if you are a business professional or even anybody, to not have your cell phone working for 1, 2, 3 days up to a week or a couple weeks, that's unacceptable. And I know Microsoft recently has been, in the crossfires because they aren't honoring any of the warranties for the Surface Zero 2 after it got discontinued. Even though people still have warranties they bought with Microsoft. It's good look that Microsoft hopefully is going to be fixing this sometime very, very soon. And I kind of feel like, personally speaking, here's my personal opinion, I don't think they know what they're doing. I don't know if they know how to fix this, but we're going to hope that they figure something out. See you guys next one. Peace out.